Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of enabling two-factor authentication on Facebook to enhance the security of your account. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and go to the menu. Then simply scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and go to the Settings. Now then click on the See More in Account Center in the top. There you will have to go through password and security. There you will see two-factor authentication available. Click on it. Then click on your profile again. Then you will have to enter the password for some security purposes. After the password, Facebook will offer several methods for two-factor authentication including text message, SMS, authentication app and recovery codes. Choose a preferred method based on your preference and available options. Then you will have to add your phone number and Facebook will send a verification code to your phone number. Enter the code to confirm. Now follow the on-screen instruction to confirm the setup. Facebook will provide recovery codes that you can use to access your account if you lose access to your primary authentication method. After this, your two-factor authentication will be enabled. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.